Welcome to Crash Area, where every crash comes with a costly lesson. This video is for entertainment only, but real life is a whole different story. Don't trade a few reckless seconds for a lifetime of regret. Oh my God, facing fate. Oh no! His bike wheel is broken! Just one collision. Both the person and the bike are thrown out. I wonder if he can keep going. Just look at this. One person's mistake. All the others have to pay. Why did he drive the wrong way? Seems like someone ignored the warning sign of elevation in that tunnel.
Oh my God! Oh my God! That was just caught on our dash. Yeah. This.
Good thing this driver was taking it slow. That could have been a blockbuster ending.
Oh my God! Holy f***! Holy f***! Oh
so lucky as dodging a bullet. He spun around at the intersection and still hit that car. He must have been in a hurry, running a red light like that. Maybe the driver just mistook the gas pedal for the brake pedal. What a classic mistake, right, guys? He must be flying. That speed is not allowed in any universe. Oh my, he must have lost control of his speed, and probably his sanity. Why is the car lying on its side in the middle of the road like that? And that's it for today on Crash Area. If you felt the thrill or the shock, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit that bell.